Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add and create your own deals in the HubSpot CRM page. So let's get right into it. Now, let me just quickly go over into CRM. I am on my dashboard, so just go into CRM and select deals, and this will take you to the deals menu. As you can see, my list is empty because I don't have any deals. You can import them if you have a list of deals from a previous service. However, I'll just go ahead and create my own deal. Now, I'll set it up myself. Since I don't need any help with this, and here is the information you need to enter. You need to add the deal name. I'll just add test. You can select the pipeline and the stage. Then you can select the amount. I'll just add 10,000. You can select the close date if you want to. It's gonna automatically set it to 3 days in the future as far as I'm aware. And then you can select the deal owner, deal type, and priority, which are optional, so you don't have to enter them. I won't. And then you can add the contact associated with. I'll just select this test contact I've created, and you can also add the company you want to add, and then add a line item as well if you want, and set the quantity. I won't be doing that, but now once you're done with that, you can just click create. You can also click create and add another if you have several of them to put in. However, I'll just click create. And now once I click create, it's going to refresh my page, and it's going to show that deal once I go back to the list. Now this is your deal info page. You can edit the deal from here if you want to, but if I go back to deals, it will show up in our list just like this. To access it, again, you can just click on the deal name, and it's going to open up the same deal page it did previously. And here you can edit any additional info that you might need. You can set up payments, you can add more contacts, etc., etc. But in essence, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.